question says, which one of the following common to multicellular fungi, filamentous algae and protonema of mosses? The options are A. Diplontic life cycle, B. Members of kingdom Plantae, C. Mode of nutrition and D. Multiplication by fragmentation. So, we will discuss about these options. First of all, option A. Diplontic life cycle. यहाँ जितने भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स दिए हुए हैं उन तीनों में से फिलामेंटस एल्गी and protonema of mosses perform diplontic life cycle, whereas multicellular fungi performs haplontic life cycle. Now what is haplontic and diplontic life cycle? So haplontic life cycle means the life cycle which is dominated by the haploid stage. The individual as an outcome of mitosis are referred to as haplontic, and the life cycle is known as haplontic life cycle. For example, Chara, Chlamydomonas, fungi, etc. These are haplonts and perform haplontic life cycle. Okay, now the next, diplontic life cycle. Diplontic life cycle means the life cycle which is dominated by the diplontic stage. Here, the two stage. One is diploid and another is haploid. In diplontic life cycle, the diploid stage is known as a sporophyte, and which is independent and dominant stage, whereas the haploid stage is known as gametophyte. Now come to the board. This is diplontic life cycle. It divides into two parts. One is sporophyte. Another is gametophyte. Okay, sporophyte is the diploid stage. Whereas gametophyte is the haploid stage. Sporophyte is dominant and independent stage. Whereas haploid stage or gametophyte is single cell stage. And here in gametophyte stage, the zygotes and the gametes are produced by meiosis. Okay, here. So these two stages are togetherly known as diplontic life cycle, which is performed by the filamentous algae and mosses. So option A is incorrect because fungi performs haplontic life cycle and algae and mosses performs diplontic life cycle. Now come to the option B, that is members of kingdom Plantae. Now filamentous algae and protonema of mosses fall under the kingdom Plantae, whereas fungi has another kingdom. So again the option B, that is members of kingdom Plantae, is incorrect. The next option is mode of nutrition. Okay, so among these three organisms, only filamentous algae and protonema of mosses are autotrophs, whereas multicellular fungi is heterotroph. Now what is autotroph and heterotroph? Autotroph and heterotroph. Autotroph means autotrophs make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Make their own food, whereas heterotrophs depend for their food on another organism. depend for their food on another organism. So, autotrophs means make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, and heterotrophs mean depend for their food on another organism because they cannot make their own food. So, filamentous algae and Protonema of mosses are the heterotrophs. It means they make their own food. But multicellular fungi is a heterotroph. It means it does not make their own food. It depends on another organism. So the option C is also incorrect. Now come to the option D. That is multiplication by fragmentation. So now what is fragmentation? Fragmentation होता क्या है? Fragmentation is also a mode of asexual reproduction in which the parent body is divided into the several pieces and each piece will develop into a new plant. So the multicellular fungi, filamentous algae and Protonema of mosses shows fragments. They have thin thread-like vegetative structure called hyphae and filament and protonema. Respectively. Hyphae for multicellular fungi, filamentous algae possesses a filament, whereas Protonema is for Protonema of mosses. These organisms have this kind of vegetative structure respectively, and these structure lead to the development of new plant. So the option D, multiplication by fragmentation, is correct. Thank you.